and the price is squeezed for Bbig, as we said in the last video. So where the price will go for Bbig? Are we gonna see the $10? Are we ready to go to the $10 for this year? Because all the market's down, Bbig is up, as we said in the last video. Look what's going on. We talked about it here around the 12th of June, and what we said, we're gonna see a test between the $4 and $3.23, important box to be tested by Bbig. And guess what happened? Today we did it, and today we enter in this crazy box, and now we seen kind of like a big fight between the short sellers and the buyers here, as we said, and the price is holding a bit. So what we should expect right now, after the price jumped perfectly from the price that we said, what? If you saw the video, of course, you know the price already, $2.16. And here, why I said we care about big whale buying, not retail trader buying. Okay, here in 2021, big whales buying the dips, and they actually beat the market because they doing so we want to do the same. Okay, so here they bought around this box, as I said, and then make it even simpler to watch and to see it. I put it in purple color and I just make it in yellow to see it even closely for the people who use the phone, because the picture is really small. So you can see it here clearly. So we jumped $2.16. As I said, charging box, the price jumped, and almost, let me even calculate it, almost over the 50 or 60% jump, even though the market is down for Naked, TI, Sandal, Tesla, you name it. So what we should expect? Are we gonna see the $10? Wait a second. So the price is still below our exponential average. And you tell me, what's that signify? This would be a great question. The exponential average show us that the sentiment of the market is still down, is mean all the candle is below our exponential average. Simple as that. And if our candle close above our exponential average, which is, as I said, the $4.06, this is the turning point for Sandal from the bearish momentum to, yes, you guessed it, to the bullish momentum. So we want to see this happening in coming days. So just take a breather, okay? When the market is down, it's normal to see a bit of rejection. It's normal to see this red candle forming because a lot of people taking profit, okay? And if we just do this ascending line that we've been broke from around the 22nd of December, we see that is kind of rejection area, even with our exponential average and this ascending line. So this is normal that we see a bit of rejection. So the thing is, where we want to go back to, or the support should be, is normal. To confirm that we're gonna see the $4 is the $3.23. To confirm we don't have a sell-off, because when the market is like still trending down, we want to confirm one thing: this jump is genuine, or is there is a big sell-off will happen after. So what we want to confirm is holding above the $3.23. After holding, you know what's gonna happen? Another buying pressure happen, and this is the last fight for Bbig. I can see it just from the chart around the $4 here. And if we close here, say hallelujah. Okay, we're gonna do another video for Bbig to discuss this price action from there, because a lot of factors will come in, a lot of things will happen. We're gonna do update daily for it, so always hit the notification so you never miss any of my future update. And as we said, always we do update on here on Discord, pre-market, and even on YouTube, on Patreon. Okay, so join us in both if you be updated for both, and you hunted for exact price value before the market open, after the market close, during the market. Okay, so without further ado, hopefully that was informative. And as I said, be patient and let the price come to you. As you see, precisely at the $2.16, then take the profit around our technical area. Rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. And this is how you make money. So without further ado, see you in the next update.